Ayike uNhloso is so livid to a point that he decided ukuthi yena uyothatha umuntu without her permission. Uthatha uMadlomo-ke uhambe naye umbeke angazi ukuthi kuphi le ndawo ngathi flat or something, wambeka phansi umvala umlomo. Mind you, this is the person athi uyamthanda ngamfela. Mind you, this is the person umcelile kadokotela ukuthi ngicela sibuyelane nangabe indaba ukuthi ngiye kuDinhle ngizomyeka. Umfasa kanjani-ke umuntu wakho? Lo muntu omthanda umfasa kanjani? Umfase nomlomo, umfasa izandla. And ngaleso sikhathi leso lo muntu omfasile umithi. Into ecasulayo ukuthi lo muntu umithi ngengane yenye indoda le oyizondayo, indoda le bese nibe nathi tuthi nongathi amloyi. Manje I wonder how is he going to survive, because at this point he's supposed to be a protector, a father to his children, but ngiyazi ukuthi uyohamba pretend lapho ngathi akazi. And I foresee it happening ukuthi he is going to pin all of this to Mthunzi. Best believe he's going to pin all of this to Mthunzi, and everybody else will turn around and hate Mthunzi and say, Phela when Mthunzi, you've got a dark past. So obvious. Uyazi ukuthi kwenzakala way, and Mthunzi was just trying to change. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Ndimadekwana sanibonani avuxeni molweni minjhani hi pfukile hi nge n'wina. So namuntlha ka nongonoko wa hina wa Scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Mthunzi now is calling the church, the prayer partners, and everybody just to find out if uMadlomo uyabonakala lapho, because uLihle came back from school, and then when she was checking around, she realized that her mother was kind of cleaning, because the house is Dear Mekar. It's not the same house that it's supposed to be. And she came early on that day and then found out with Uma Ageko. But what rose eyebrows was that Utole phone on top of the table, which is unlikely for her to leave for Iskate Site without her phone. So they called Umatobela to find out if she was there, send a message on a group chat, but everybody else said they have never seen her. While on the other hand, Mthunzi is playing it cool after he came into the house. Wathatha uMadlomo wahamba naye-ke. Asazi ukuthi uphume kanjani, because we did not see him taking her out. We just saw the door opening. And then later on, we see him walking into this space where uMadlomo ohungwa zanda na milenje and then ohungwa na mlomo. Then we see Untloso walks in and give her and take out Ungutla and started talking about how his feelings are hurt and stuff. But then, where is the evidence? Like, we don't know. Now, it all rounds up differently, because now he was able to rush to the therapist's appointment, and then he said that he was delayed because there was traffic, and which was a lie. He was delayed because bekabhiza kidnap umuntu ayombeka laphayana, and then he had to rush to the therapist. When they got to the therapist, uDinhle is so excited, she is so happy, busy saying ukuthi, oh no, yazi wena dokotela thina sikhulumile and then sazwana, we now understand each other, we now understand where we're coming from. Abuza udokotela, did you talk about the ex-wife? Then Dinhle was the one that was answering all the questions. Yes, we did. And udokotela uyamangala ukuthi, did he actually talk about the ex-wife? Because ex-wife begala, and she was told ukuthi udinhle I can dump her right now just so that I can be with you. I think that's where the question of udokotela was coming from. Udinhle does not even know ukuthi ex-wife was there. I said, no, we spoke about the ex-wife, and then we understood each other, and then we spoke on how we want to move forward. So Tengumuzi omuhle omusha, and then put the past behind us. He's just going to be a good man like he promised to be, and yonkinto izohamba kahle. And then she says that she does not see the reason why we should be continuing having therapy sessions individually. Now I feel like it's time we can have a couple therapy sessions. Ngishilo from beginning with indota yomuntu, you won't keep her it. Yeah, you understand? Yeah, Valent. You will only keep a man that wants to be kept. This one, utandu madlomo, period. And is gonna do anything and everything. Le han twa yira nke go tsena mara o tla yira, because pelo ya hae e go wa tlhalohanya. O tla ira ntho tsa go tsena a re komkeke, because that's where his heart is. Not with Dinhle. Dinhle was just a fling. Dinhle was just a place of what? Entanglement, a place of one moment of weakness. That's all it was. Umfazi kuyena uMadlomo. uthanda ungathandi. Now Udintle becomes like a Islima, because what he is saying and what his heart is saying and what he's thinking is not the same thing. Those are two different things. While on the other hand, Victor decided to disclose the truth to girlfriend wake, Uvuvu, and then also Umtanake came and confronted him, and then Umtanake is not really happy. Uhalalelo, she's really going through it, and she's very upset about the situation. She says that even if she has to tell the police, my father needs to go to jail. Utanzira, I punish you for the things that he did. He sidelined me and he lied to me. And lied to me, which is something that I don't like. And then what Uvuvugena, no, your father has been living with this thing and he was beating himself up all this time. So I think you should forgive him. Well, that was a bit far-fetched because the thing just happened now. Ubaba Kebesekafuna discharge so that he can go and talk Numtanake. But Uvuvu said he needs to sleep rest because he was never discharged. So that will just cause more problems for him. On the other hand, laba podcast imoto ehambile kuthiwa basane contract in Tontoni, and then they said bona they were unable to read the jargon. On the other side, Mr. Devet and their girlfriend are trying to fix things, but it looks like Tidi is the one that is going extra mile, and Mr. Devet is saying he's still upset because I found you kissing my son. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Remember to subscribe. Remember, we do not upload full episode, we review them. Thank you.